Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel A Plus Mind. Today I will continue the lesson number 6 in which we do factor and factoring. Factor. Factors and factoring. What actually means it? Factors. Breaking numbers into parts. Figure out which numbers multiply to make it. Reverse of multiplications. And now imagine this. You have a secret number. Which number? Secret number, which you don't know about this, but I can get it by just by looking, and its piece sound like magic. Not really. This is a superpower of math. Today we are going into factoring. Just like think about what you will say about 12. What you will say about 12. How you can factorizing it? 3 multiply 4. It will be 3 multiply 4. That means 3 and 4 are the building blocks of the 12. Just like LEGO, Lego piece, build a structure. Numbers are built from a smaller numbers. Factoring means breaking numbers into parts and finding which numbers multiply to make it. We are breaking into parts and multiply them. It's simply the reverse of the multiplication. Example, 3, 15. There is a 15. 3 multiply 5. It's a 15. 3 multiply 5. It's a 15. It's a 12. It's a 12. It's a 15. 3 multiply 4 and 3 multiply 5. Without writing. There's a mind game. How you can guess this? Which two numbers multiply to make 10? Which two numbers to multiply to make 10? Can you tell me? 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10. And we also can see 1 multiplied 10 is equal to 10. It means 10 is also a factor. 1 is also a factor. And 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10. If you deeply consider this, factors are a number that divide a number exactly. How you can do? We can exactly divide the number 12 divided by 3 is equal to, now it is a 15. 15 is also divided by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So, if you divide 12 over 5, then 12 divided by 5. Then my answer will be 2.4. It means points. So, this is not a factor. Not in a whole number, so this is not a factor. Now, again, if we find the factors of 12, I again see you how you can find the 3 multiplied 4. We can also see the factors of 12. The 6 multiplied 2. We can also see the 12 factor. 1 multiplied 12. So, what will be the answer of this? But now we make the set of 12. How you can make this set? We start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is the complete set of the 12. These are the factors of 12. Now, notice something. Factors come in pairs. 1 multiplied by 12, 6 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 4. This trick saves time. Now, next challenge. If I give you the challenge, factors of 16. How you can find? How you can find the factors of 16? Can you tell me? Okay. If I tell you 16, 1 multiply 16. 16 is also a factor of this. And 1 we can also. This is a factor of any number. Then 8 multiplied by 2. 16. 8 multiplied by 2 is a 16. 4. 4s are 16. Is a also a factor. So, their 4s come 2 times. We will also write the one copy. Start from 1. The factor of, we make the set of 16. How you can make the set of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 60. Now you can understand. Now, final challenge. How many factors does 18? Can you give me the factors of 18? Give me answer in the comments if you understand this. Okay, now you know how the numbers break into pieces. And but how? Here's the real twist. What if you told every number has hidden priming building blocks? The next video, we're going deeper. We will break numbers down their core level. Down their core level. Okay. And don't forget, we'll challenge how many factors does 18. Okay. Comment your answers below. So, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.